Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be putting on some false lashes, which is why I only have eyeliner on one of my lash lines, upper lash lines here. And that's because when I review lashes, I like to test them out with and without eyeliner because that can make a big difference in how the lashes look. And so I'm going to be trying out these Lilly lashes in the style Falling For You. And I was really excited to get some Lilly lashes in my November 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag X because Lilly lashes are a very popular, loved brand, but they are expensive. These lashes here retail for $28, but they look really beautiful. Like if I were picking out false lashes for myself, I probably would have picked these out because they are cat eye, meaning they get longer towards the outer side, and they are pretty fluttery, very natural looking. Here are what they look like. The only thing that I don't love about this style is the thick black band, because typically I prefer an invisible band, basically meaning no black band. But let's go ahead and see how these look. So the first step is to see if I need to trim off any excess. So I'll size it to my eye before I apply the glue. And be very careful when you peel it off of the packaging here because these are stuck on pretty good. But they're pretty delicate, so you need to be very gentle. Ooh, even though it is like a more of a thick looking black band on the base of this, it seems very flexible and light, so it should be hopefully easy to apply. I'm just gonna trim off the tiniest little bit, just the very last section from the outer part of the eye. You always want to trim from the outer section. And now I'm going to apply the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, Lash Couture, Brush On Clear, just my go-to lash glue. And unfortunately, this set of lashes did not come with any glue, so you do have to have your own in order to use these if you got them in Ipsy. So just brushing the glue all the way along the band. And you don't need to rush to apply it to your eye right away. I'm even blowing on it a little bit because you want to wait for it to start to dry and get a little tacky. And I'm not the best at applying false lashes, which you are about to see, and I just apply them with my fingers. I can't even get myself to even use like tweezers because I'm so novice at applying false lashes. But just, ooh, even though I am not great at applying lashes, these are super easy to apply because the band is super comfortable, flexible, and the lashes are so light that as I'm sticking it down to the front corner, it's not lifting it from the outer corner. Okay, wow, these are really pretty and really comfortable. It doesn't even feel like anything on my eye, and especially after, like right after you apply lashes, usually you can kind of feel them, but immediately these feel comfortable. However, the only thing I'm not loving is that black band because you can just kind of see a little separation from the lash line to the band, and the band just makes it look a little less natural. So typically, like you could tight line, but that's why I like to use eyeliner almost every time I wear false lashes because I love the look of the lashes themselves, how comfortable they are, but it's that band, which I think just looks pretty unwearable like this. But let's see now how it is on top of the eyeliner. Oh yes. I just love how easy these lashes are to apply. Even looking super up close in the mirror right here, it's almost hard for me to see the band compared to the eyeliner. And I just used a regular black liquid liner, and it's perfect for hiding this band. I love that these lashes look so naturally fluttery. Like, It's almost hard to tell if I'm wearing false lashes just with how natural they look. I mean, it definitely emphasizes the eye, gives some nice glam, really amps up the lashes, but in such a natural, comfortable, wearable way, which is exactly what I look for with my false lashes. This really is, like, when I've done false lashes for weddings that I've been in before, these are exactly the types of lashes that I use. And these are probably going to be literally the lashes that I use the next time I do wear false lashes for a special event, because I love how it enhances the eye, but it's not too much. And you can see, it's a little hard to see on camera, but the difference with the eyeliner versus without it. It also just helps it look, in my opinion, less like the lashes are weighting down my eye. Just overall, a more flattering look with the eyeliner. So I definitely recommend using a nice black liquid eyeliner with these Lilly Falling For You lashes. Usually I want to rip my lashes off as soon as I apply them. With these, I want to keep wearing them. I love the look of them. I love the feel of them. So if you've tried them out, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think. But also I'd love to hear if you've tried any other Lilly lashes. What do you think of them? What are some of your favorite styles? And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.